Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Which is the holy book of Sikh? Answer Guru Granth Sahib. Next, the first ship to circumnavigate the world. Answer Victoria. Who is known as the father of humanism? Answer Petrarch. Which day is International Ozone Day? Answer September 16. Which scientist invented the barometer? Answer Evangelista Torricelli. In which year WTO World Trade Organization came into existence? Answer January 1st, 1995. Who introduced to the world the Code of Laws? Answer Hammurabi. Who is the founder of Jainism? Answer Rishabhdeva. What was the original name of Gautama Buddha? Answer Siddhartha. Mahavira was born in which place? Answer Kundagrama, Bihar. Who founded the religion of Taoism? Answer Laozi. Which is the least literate state in India? Answer Bihar. Which is the hardest part in the body? Answer tooth enamel. Question number 14. What is the main component of natural gas? Answer methane. Next, who discovered ammonia production? Answer Fritz Haber. Where is Brahmaputra originate from? Answer Anamalai Hill. Which is the smallest planet in solar system? Answer Mercury. Which is the national tree of India? Answer Banyan. Which state literacy rate is highest? Answer Kerala. Which is the first artificial satellite? Answer Sputnik I. Who was the first person to travel in space? Answer Yuri Gagarin. Who is the first Indian astronaut? Answer Rakesh Sharma. Which day observed as Moon Day? Answer July 20. Who invented the first live television system? Answer John Logie Baird. Which is known as fool's gold? Answer iron pyrite. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and also enable bell icon. See you soon.